that's about all she wrote. Might be a couple scragglers, but you got plates, doggy?
Nope. I went over here to see if I could find some.
Should be able to. I think I have some if you need some.
I just picked up an extra one. If you, not an extra one, but I picked up one for you.
Sweet.
Where is this for?
Oh,
It's over here.
I almost ran into a mine. Tripwire.
I got a few plates.
Cool.
Actual to Ultra One. Intel sourced the location of an AQ hard drive. Secure that disk and upload all contents. Target areas marked on your TAC map.
Alright.
Oh, someone went and took that truck that we were gonna get. That's what it was that I heard.
You guys got some plates?
Yes.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, here. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah. Someone's been up here already.
Wonder which radio tower is the one that we gotta go to.
Maybe the one I'm at right now.
Probably.
Is it the guy who picks up the hard drive or laptop that has to get to the thing?
Nope. It's
Oh, okay.
it's shared amongst all of us.
Because I thought I was at the one that you needed last time.
Right?
But I guess not. I don't see any enemies.
Ultra One, we've marked a radio tower on your TAC map. Use it to
You're on
transmit
it.
the data.
Coming back. Chris, we're on
What
defense.
happens after this?
Once it's uploaded, we have to defend it. We don't really have to defend it, but once it's
Good signal,
uploaded,
Ultra One. Secure the perimeter until the upload is done.
there's gonna be a bunch of guys that spawn, and then we just have to kill them. We have to just stick with it. Oh, nice hit, dude.
Wow, the RPG. Fuck did these guys go?
Well, that helicopter. I put a claymore at the bottom of my pit, so.
But just in case anyone want to get cute.
Yep.
There we go.
Actual Ultra One. Transfer complete. Good work.
Well, I
Who's
popped their
shooting at
helmets
us?
off.
Oh, I'm getting shot at from a fucking...
There's
From
a
a what?
juggernaut nearby.
It's a fucking exfil helicopter that was shooting at me.
Oh. There's a jug nearby?
That's what it said.
I got a rocket launcher nearby.
Let's
Come on, Juggy.
My god, I hit that guy like 4 times. He's just running.
let's do that. No, let's get out of here.
What, exfil you mean?
Yep.
Could do that.
Ultra One, be advised. Winds are picking up. Move to an extraction point.
Oh, those guys are impossible.
Uh-oh.
They tagged me!
Right.
Uh-oh.
You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Nice.
Thank you.
Good stuff, boys. Chopper. Got an RPG. Come on, land, sucker. Oh, I missed. How did I miss again?
Man,
All those guys.
I was shooting the freaking, the driver. I don't think you can.
Oh, look it.
Nice. Damn, so many.
Yeah, got them all with one grenade.
Nice.
That was a perfect
Nice.
grenade throw.
That was hilarious.
Oh my god.
Wow, I just blew a decoy because he was on a railing.
Excuse me. Jeez. Couldn't stop that one.
Alright.
I'm gonna grab this smoke too.
I don't want no smoke.
No, I'm grabbing this smoke, man.
I have 2 smoke grenades.
You don't want this smoke, fool.
You never know if we gotta cover our tracks.
Here's a truck.
Yeah.
How do I...
That's gonna be the
I
first.
couldn't switch. I tried to hit B.
That's gonna be the
Get
first
in.
exfil to get taken out by the gas. So we got 1 minute before it starts spreading.
Ultra One, the enemy is on high alert. Proceed with caution.
Danny, you could probably go to that buy station and get like a badass something.
I'm just
Ultra One, we have visual on the LZ. Keep it clear.
seeing if there's any players around.
I haven't spotted any.
Someone was shooting at me from over here.
From where?
904 is holding in the extraction point. Ultra One, actual. Winds are pushing radiation through the area. Advise moving to extraction when able. Dino 4 to actual. All objectives and personnel secure. We're RTV at this time.
Nice. Beautiful. God, we have so much better weapons, the three of us.
It's true.
Yeah, we were also pretty conservative, like, you know, we didn't get overzealous and be like, oh, let's do one more, you know what I mean? Because that's when we usually get...
But I mean, like, Danny and I have gotten so screwed just like chilling, like doing absolutely nothing. And then we ran across the freaking desert and all over the place and like never saw smoke. I heard one guy take a vehicle and did.